Hi, I'm Sophia. Welcome to Nothing Phone 3A review, and I will leave the rest of this video to Reza.
The Nothing Phone 3A continues the brand's mission to redefine smartphone design with a minimalistic approach, while packing in features that matter for everyday users. Priced more affordably than its flagship siblings, the 3A aims to offer the core Nothing experience without breaking the bank. Design and build. From the first glance, the Nothing Phone 3A impresses with its transparent back, clean lines, and iconic glyph interface. The LED lights on the rear remain a unique and functional design choice, offering notification alerts, charging status, and more. The body is made of a matte-finished recycled plastic that feels solid, although slightly lighter than the Phone 2 display. The 3A features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, contrast is deep, and the smooth scrolling feels premium. While it lacks LTPO tech found in high-end models, most users won't notice. The screen performs well outdoors, though brightness maxes out at around 1100 nits, which is decent but not best in class. Performance, powered by the Snapdragon 7 South Gen 2 chipset, the Nothing Phone 3A delivers reliable performance for most daily tasks. App switching, multitasking, and even light gaming are handled smoothly. It may not be a gaming powerhouse, but for regular use, it feels fast and snappy. Paired with 8GB or 12GB RAM, it's well optimized for the clean Nothing OS 3.0 software. Nothing OS 3.0 is a breath of fresh air, clean, minimal, and bloatware-free. It's close to stock Android with added unique features like glyph customizations, lock screen widgets, and smooth animations. Software support is promised for 3 years of Android updates and for years of security patches, making it a reliable long-term pick. Camera. The rear setup includes a dual-camera system, a 50MP main sensor, and a 50MP ultrawide. Images are sharp in daylight, with good dynamic range and natural colors. Low-light performance is improved over the previous model, but still not flagship level. The front-facing camera captures detailed selfies and supports portrait mode with good edge detection. Battery and charging. A 4700 mAh battery keeps the 3A running for a full day with ease. Screen on time averages around 6 to 7 hours, depending on usage. It supports 45W wired charging, no charger in the box, taking it from 0 to 100% in just under an hour. Wireless charging is not included, which is expected at this price point. Final verdict. The Nothing Phone 3A is a bold attempt to bring standout design and useful features to a mid-range price. While it skips a few flagship specs, it nails the essentials: a great display, smooth software, and eye-catching aesthetics. If you're tired of boring smartphone designs and want something fresh, the 3A is worth considering. Techiato rating: 8.5/10. Let us know in the comments what you think about Nothing's approach.